Hi, good morning. So I just got my bike permit to Natila Pass in Zuluk. Zuluk where there are 59 hairpin bends. So I'm happy I got my permit. But next challenge is that I heard police are not allowing to go in that way as there is a lot of ice on road. I also heard that it's raining there in that region. Somehow I want to make it because after all I came this long, right? Let's see how it goes. Until then, bye bye. By the way, it's day 12.
तो बीच बीच में रोकते रोकते आया मैंने।
लाइन से जाना है, कितना टाइम लगाएगा आगे?
ठीक है, थैंक यू। Better we will listen to what they say. I want a permit to go. इसका ओरिजिनल दे दिया ओरिजिनल वहाँ पे। हाँ हाँ हो गया ना, हो गया ना। Thank you. Alright, I'm so happy. I can't tell you. Thank you. Let's go. Natula, Baba Mandir and Changu Lake. Woo! I made it, man.
So happy now. I got the permit to Natila and then Zuluk, where there are 59 hairpin bends. You can search for it. It's kind of roads are bent like hairpins. Process I had to go through to get this done, to get the permit done, is I went to Secretariat. I suggest you to come to Gangtok 24 hours before and go to Home Department, which is in Manan Bhavan here and Secretariat. Get the clearance done. If your clearance is done on the same day, you can get the vehicle permit on the same day and you can travel. But I would suggest you to come 24 hours before and get the things done one day before, because as per the person in Manan Bhavan, they mentioned that normally it will take 24 hours. Right now there is no crowd, so I got it done on the same day, but somehow I wanted to travel today. I got the clearance done yesterday. After taking vehicle permit, make sure you take 2 copies of that. I came to this check post and I had to go back to Gangtok again to get the Xerox done. So no one will inform you that you'll need 2 Xerox copies of vehicle permit, right? Yeah, I got it done. I'm so happy. I'm gonna make it to Natila Pass and then to Zuluk, Changu Lake in between, and then Baba Mandir. Search for these things and know about Baba Mandir, how it was built and all. It will be very interesting, trust me. Search for it and look at the view there. Look at the view there. Flags all over, and there's snow. Look at that. I'm gonna concentrate on road. Just one mistake will cost my life. Like this. Till now it was super hot for like 12 kilometers and horrible, man. Horrible. I need to be damn careful. Look at that. Roads are skidding. I need to be very careful. This is the reason people prefer to come in 4-wheelers. Border Roads Organization. Hello. So where you guys are coming?
आप कहाँ से?
मैं हैदराबाद।
हैदराबाद से? एक है गाड़ी वहाँ से उठाया ना, यहाँ से ले?
वहाँ से हैदराबाद से।
आपका मार्केट कहाँ से है? नातुला तक?
हाँ, नातुला जुलूक तक जाना है मेरे को। जुलूक से दार्जिलिंग चले जा रहा हूँ।
जुलूक से उतर जाना है। चल जाएगा
I need to go very careful, like 10, 20 kilometers per hour, just that. And I met few riders on the way. They're a gang, they're probably coming in the back. It's me again, adventures, loving it, man. So thrilling that is. Look at that, I'm gonna make it move fast. So fast. You see there's a small layer of ice and it's so difficult to ride on this road. Oh, roads are so slippery, man, so fast. But I'm not gonna give up. My hands, you can see, they're getting blue in color. I want to pee so bad. There's a layer formed on the road, ice layer, if you can see. Look at this. Look at that. So slippery. Look at this place. Group who came along with me, they gave up. I'm still struggling on this road. I want to make it. I don't want to give up. I want to make it. Oh man. Let me see. Kहाँ तक चलेगा ऐसा? So I'm doing adventure here on this slippery road. I met these people here.
Hello. Hi.
We'll see how long it goes. I'll go further a little more and I'll see if road allows me to go further. If not, I'll come back. I don't want to come back at all. No, I don't have single thought to come back. But still, no, try to make it. And we'll update you. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
This is all lake here. Changu Lake. I'm not completely sure if you're able to see or not. My camera mount is coming off. Touching feeling. हाँ बहुत सारी गाड़ी है. Alright. कदेश. अभी मैं जुलुक जाना है, वहाँ से दार्जिलिंग जाना है. जुलुक. Look at that. Woo! 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 I'm alone in this world. Woo! Look at the lake. Look at the lake, man. So amazing. The view. Awesome. Woo. Awesome. I'm so happy, and I'm honored that I'm able to shoot this for you guys. So I'm gonna go like this, and I don't know where I'll go. Woo! I feel I'm the king of the world, but I don't have a kingdom to rule. Probably this is my kingdom for now. Awesome! Look at the lake, Canggu Lake. Awesome! Freaking awesome, man. Probably there's another road. I think I have to take that road as well. So I'm gonna go to Nathula. If you can see or not, no, it's snow is falling on me. Look at this! How I am riding here. Thank God it's sunny now. Probably. Oh. Can I say anything here? No, because it's full foggy outside. But trust me, I'm so happy I made it till here. Look, I went into my booth. So cold inside. But this dude, probably I have to go all the way there. My cam just came off from my helmet, so I'll not be able to do motovlogging. Here I'm at Baba Mandir. I could not make it to Nathula Pass because roads were horrible. And the army were not allowing me to go to Nathula Pass, but somehow I made it to Baba Mandir, and from here to Zulu, which is I came to know 30 kilometers away from here, and from there to Rangpo, and then Darjeeling, right? And it's around 1:30 now, so by probably 5 o'clock I'll be crossing this Himalayan route, this snow route. Probably it's sunny now. Hopefully roads are clear. And I'll shoot more. And here is the Baba Mandir. Let me capture it now.